don't forget us forever. You are my real best friend forever. Please be safe. Let's keep in touch. Bye.
Without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way.
Please forgive me for what I have done. You are my best friend forever and ever and ever. I will miss you. Goodbye, Sara. All the best.
When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side. And now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long day without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
I'm so sad that you are moving. I'm sorry if I did something wrong. I will miss you. Thank you for being my friend and being nice to me. Please don't forget me and other friends in SKTPI school. I hope you will be happy in your new school. Bye.
Aisha, I miss you so much. I'm sorry that I do everything to you. Please forgive me. You are my best friend in the world. Thank you.
Please forgive me for what I have done. You are my best friend. Thanks for everything. All the best, Sara.
Hi Sara, I am Iman. I hope you will be happy at your new school. And don't cry when you are there. Bye.
I am Hakim. I will miss you forever and keep all the stuff that I bought for you and would save.
Bye Sara. Best friend forever and ever.
We will miss you at Selangor. And we want to say, please study hard for your parents and don't forget us. Bye, Sara.
I love Risha. I like you because you are my best friend. I like to be friend with you. I hope you enjoy at your new school. Please don't forget us. Bye Sara.
I heard that you are going to your new school at Selangor. I wish you all the luck. Goodbye.
New school. I miss you Sara. I wish you good luck in your exam. You are my best friend and you please remember me. Bye Sara. I hope you will remember me in your new school. You are my good friend. I hope you will be happy in your new school. Bye. I will miss you too. You are my friend very very much. You are my BFF. Hi, I'm Yesta.
You are our best friend, Sara.
Thanks for everything.
We miss you so much.
That's all for now.
All the best.
Bye. You. Please forgive me for what I have done. You are my best friend. Thank you for everything. All the best.
Please forgive my mistake at you. I hope you have fun and happy at your new school at Selangor. Bye.
Forgive me
For what I have done.
You are my best friend. I will miss you. Thank you for everything. Bye. For being my best friend forever. I hope you happy at your new school every time. All the best. Bye.
Sara, please forgive us for what we have done. You are my best friend. Thanks for everything. All the best.
I would like to apologize for everything that I have done. You are my best friend I've ever had. Please don't forget and pray for me. All the best to you all, to all of you.